What's going on, guys? Steve Sam here with Beyond the Build. Hi guys, it's been a while. In today's episode, we're going to be installing some rocker arms a buddy got for me for my birthday. I've been logging on it, I know, it's been a while, but in today's episode, we're doing it. We are doing it because we're going to a car show this Saturday in Ontario, California. So, let's get to work, guys.
Sauce. So we're going to start off by taking off the strut bar, of course our Cusco strut bar, taking off our coil packs, and then taking off our valve covers. Then we should be able to access our rockers from there. And down there, of course, that's our harmonic balancer. We're able to spin that. And from there, we'll be able to see the wherever the valves are opening and closing. And then from there, that's when we'll determine when to tighten our rollers. Now we do the same thing with the other side. Make sure you label your cords so the correct coil pack, so it's just a little bit easier to know which one's which. So let's do that real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Easy enough, right? I have a whole car.
Cookin soul.
Out the way, woo! Now we need some 10s. And you know, it's always the hardest thing to find is a 10. Boom, buddy. Found my 10. Let's go.
Oh yeah. Let me know if you want some of that Beyond the Build swag too. DM me on Beyond the Build or at Steve Sam, man. Copy some swag, brother and sister.
Doesn't look that bad. Oh, one down, more to go. Let's go. There you go. That's one side. That is the driver's side. Now we move on to the passenger side. Do the same thing. What in the whirly board? Tarnation, ching chong ling long is going on here? That's the original US. This is some rollers. What is this? You doing some rollers? Come on, man. You gotta stick with the OEM, not these rollers aftermarket. You know what? It's okay. We're gonna do some rollers on this bit. Man, these look good laid out. Look at that, boy. It's about time to upgrade. Maybe a little spacer thingies. It doesn't come with directions, but you know what? We're just gonna full send it. Woo! Look at those. They look nice. I haven't even torqued them down yet, but they look amazing. All right, so we have the driver's side done. Now we're gonna move on to the passenger side, get them torqued down afterwards, and it'll be solid. Let's go, guys. Let's do this. Wait a minute. We don't need this. We don't need this. What are you doing here, buddy? You go with your OEM friends. Over here. Good job. All right. This little puppy goes right here. And we hit it with the 24. Push it down, twist, rotate. You see his valve opening up right here. All right, double checked it, triple checked it. Went around rotation like 5 times, checking each one and adjusting them, making sure they're all snug and tight. And yeah, they were pretty snug. So now I'm gonna slowly go through all of them, each row at a time, and then torque them down to the settings they're supposed to be at, okay? Okay, so Jag says 22 to 24. So we're going with 24 because that's the lowest that this torque wrench can go. So, here she is. Let's go and get this bitch spinning. Spinning. I want you. Dr. Pepper or horchata? Yeah. Hey, fool. I got like 5 million bites though, but it's still delicious. Thanks, bro. Alright, so right here we got our old school, well, older grip royal. It's really clean, you know, got the gold and got the wood grain, but then it was time for a change up. And you know what? Have you ever had those Instagram ads that just keep popping up and you just like, you know, I'm gonna cave in and get it, finally, whatever. So I saw this really clean steering wheel, no risk reward. Something I really resonate well with right now at this moment in my life. D&D Performance and Street Faction came together, made a really sick wheel. You can see Street Faction right here in the back. Right here at the bottom, you can see D&D. And I think we're gonna use the hardware from here. I like the blue titanium. It's pretty fire. If you compare it to the regular one, they have like just regular silver. Let me just put this as example. Oh boy, that's saucy. Look at that. Oh man, yeah. We're doing this. Like Nato's already 10 steps ahead, 10,000 steps ahead. So the steering wheel for sale. Hit me up if you want it. So right here we have the quick release hub and our bolts, titanium, Street Faction. Just reverse process of putting everything back together. Oh shit! Almost lost it, but I got it. My arm. See what happened with my arm is, you know, got kind of tired. I'll let Nana do this because I'm dead ass already. Down, bro. Down, bro. That looks fire, bro. Look at that, bro. No risk, no reward, bro. Damn, bro. Street Faction and D&D killed it, bro. Hey, you killed it, bro. It's a cleanness. It's all, bro. Killed it, bro. Look at that, bro. That's fire. Damn, no, that is fire, though. Look at that. Hey, say hi, babe. Hi. So we've double, triple checked, make sure that each roller is tightened down to the torque specs. Now we're gonna put on the valve covers, put on the coil packs, hook them up, start them, and cross the fingers. Cross the fingers that Sally doesn't blow up. She'll be okay. She'll be okay. Alright, so everything's put back together. Yeah, we have our AEM filter in. All the coil packs have been plugged in. Double, triple checked everything. Everything's plugged in. Wires are in. Moment of truth. Just start up and let's go. Nato's here. So Nato's really helpful. I made a mistake by disconnecting one of the spark plug wires in cylinder 8. Went through with the heat gun, making sure that everything was firing and whatnot. Now it's all firing, we're all good. Air fuel ratio is fire. I'm gonna install some parts. Just a little joint right here. I think it's gonna help solve some of our issues with the steering. Let's get to work, guys. So right now we're under the car. This is the rack and pinion. Anyways, this part connects to the steering wheel up there. And this is the part we're changing, the one that connects both of those together. So we can take a closer look. This is the older one that connected rack and pinion to the steering wheel. It was time for a new one, so now it's already been installed. From here, we're going to take off the jack stand, put her down, and go for a test drive in a little bit. But first I want to go and check out all the fittings since it's already on jack stands. Check out everything on below, make sure everything's tight and that there's nothing loose.
Bam! Alright guys, looking fresh, took a shower, about to head to SoCal. On the way there, we're actually going to do a test drive, make sure everything is right with the rollers, and then we'll conclude the episode for today.
We're in the Z. So I've been having this squeak for a long time now, I'm trying to figure out what it is. I think it's something with the exhaust, but we'll figure it out later. Right now we're just focusing on the rollers. So let's watch the vitals. Air feel is good. Good. 200 degrees temperature. Operating is getting hotter now in California. It's January or February now. Yep. So far so good.
Boom! There's the Z. We're here. We're here at Cassia. We're maybe about 40 minutes away from home. We got the bays. B.
What up?
What
up? We got Javi. Got Nato. And yeah.
They came by because they're going to Disneyland and leaving me.
Sorry.
Have fun. Drive safe.
Attitude? Bez.
But we got stuck out here at Taco Bell, and I can't believe it, but the clutch went out. Basically, the lines on the clutch, master cylinder, it was a little bit touching on the headers, too much. And over time, you heat it up, made a pinhole. Every time you hit the clutch, shoots out a lot of clutch fluid. So I decided, well, I can't go to the car show now. It would take more than a weekend just to fix the clutch.
Here we go. Thanks. You did good, Sally. That's okay, girl. Next time.
Here she is, safe and sound. It's disappointing we weren't able to go to that show, but the good thing is the main goal is that we got her home safely. We drove safe. We were able to react in a situation where we didn't have a clutch. Yeah, we limped her in, put it in first gear, started it up, let's go. She made it a champ, made it like a champ. So, yeah, we're gonna work on the clutch later, I guess. We'll do that in the next episode. Hopefully we can do it before the next upcoming shows for the rest of the season. So now, with that being said, on that terrible disappointment, that's gonna do it for today, guys. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for new videos. New video out will be trying to make it every Tuesday, but new video will be out very soon. See you guys in the next episode. Peace.